Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two, and we are having a hot beverage and some sweets. So come on with me, guys. Now, I already had decorated that floral arrangement that's in the center of the table with those beautiful poinsettias in white. And then the tier tray, I had just done a video on that. So I'm going to leave that alone. I just placed the white teapot set on top of the table. I think we're going to go ahead and have I'm going to have some coffee. My son is probably going to have some hot cocoa. And if you like tea, guys, please, by all means, have tea. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Hot Cocoa, Treats, and Sweets. I absolutely love that title. But you don't have to have just hot cocoa, guys. You can have any hot beverage that you enjoy and anything sweet that you enjoy. So this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, and my Mountain Home and Kitchen. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be in and out of the video. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. So the red placemats, that was a gifted item. The chargers came from Hobby Lobby, and those beautiful dinner plates, the leopard print, they came from Home Goods, as well as the salad plate and the teacups, the tea set. Now, aren't those plates absolutely gorgeous? I couldn't find the dinner plate, so I just got the salad plate. But it matches so well with the leopard print plates that I did get, which reminds me of Debbie Bubbles. Now, on a different day shopping at Home Goods, I was able to get the teacup set. So everything here matches perfectly, and I love that the teapot set with the sugar and the creamer is all white. The champagne flutes did come from Home Goods, and the water glasses were thrifted items. Okay, so it looks like we're ready to head on over to the reveal. Now remember that this collaboration can be any hot beverage. It could be tea, it could be coffee, it could be hot cocoa, whatever it is that you guys like to have warm, and then anything sweet. So, and then reveal. So that's all you need to join this collaboration, and it's absolutely awesome for the winter time. So I'm gonna keep running it that way. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.